Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to install Java JDK on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 and currently Java JDK is not installed. For that you can always go to command prompt and here type in for if I go and type in for Java space dash dash version, so you can see Java is not recognizable. So we need to install Java JDK. For that, open up any browser, go to new tab, type in for Java JDK, hit enter, and here you can see Java downloads is open. So simply go and open this up, and once you are here, so you can see Java 18 is available, whatever. So here we need to go to Windows, so you can see Windows here. You need to download this installer, that is x64 installer. Just go and download it. So you can see Java 18 is available and you can see the download has started, and within few moments you'll be able to see the download will be complete. So just go and wait for the download process. So the download process is near to completion. You can always go and open it from here, or you can go to your file explorer and open it from the downloads. Once you double click it, just go and wait a bit. The installer will launch within few moments. If it asks for any permission, just go and click on yes. Click on next. Click on next. So here the installation process will start, and Java JDK includes JRE2, so that would also be installed. So it says it is successfully installed. Click on close. Now you need to add path of Java to the environment variables on Windows 11. For that you need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, go to the installation disk, that is in my case the Windows installation, that is local disk C, and inside here you need to go to program files. Once inside program files, you need to go to Java. So here you can see Java. Open this up. Inside here, go and open up JDK folder. Now go and open up the bin. You need to click here and copy this path. Once you have copied this, simply go to your search, and here type in for envir. So you can see added the environment variables. So simply go and open this up. Here you can see this is open, and here you need to go and click on environment variables, and here you have user environment variables and system environment variables. It's better that you add this to the system environment variable, because then it would be available for all the users. So here go to path. So you can see path here. Just go and double click. This would open up this. Now go and click on new. Paste the URL here. The address. Hit enter. Click OK. Again click OK. Again click OK. I would close a CMD. And now again I would open the command prompt. You can now search command prompt from here as well. Right click. Run as administrator. And once that is open, I would type in for Java version and hit enter. So here you can see Java is now installed and Java JDK is installed. So hope this video has helped you to install Java JDK on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.